Kelly, firstly, welcome on Times Now. Congratulations for Gulla. How does it
थैंक यू
feel?
सो
कैसा था
मच।
आपका सफर?
बहुत ही अच्छा था। इट फील्स ग्रेट एंड ऑल्सो इट मार्क्स माय वेब का पहला शो, सो आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड फॉर दैट एज वेल।
But then, let me ask this first. That what was the first impression, your first thought, जब आपको approach किया गया और कहा गया कि this is the character that we want you to play. What was your reaction to it?
No, I was called for the audition, and when I was given the brief and message आया था, when I was reading the script and the audio notes and everything, I was just happy seeing the message. Because I was like,
Okay.
okay, they've called me for Gullak, the casting for another character that's being introduced in the season, and they're considering me. मैं इसी चीज में खुश थी, and because for the longest time I wanted to audition for a TVF show, and I think what better than Gullak, right? A show that has been everybody's favorite. So I went for the audition, and मेरे दिमाग में बस एक चीज थी that I just wanted to give my best, and then I wasn't
Okay.
expecting anything at all. Um, then I forgot about the audition. Like I forgot कि मैं गई थी audition के लिए. And then one fine
Okay.
day, I received this message and a call. That they're shortlisting me, and then they're considering me. They want to meet me and everything. So मैं तो बहुत ही खुश थी उसमें. Like okay,
But then, but then now that you say that you are excited to be a part of Gullak and you were wanting to be a part of Gullak, had you
yeah.
followed Gullak's journey? And if you had, and who was your favorite character in the previous seasons?
I had and I yeah, I think the entire family equation and bonding that we see, that's something which is so relatable. I
Yeah.
don't think I can pick one character out because the entire show is so still relevant, relatable at every level that you see, okay, these two brothers are fighting like cats and dogs, and then the next moment they're, प्यार जता रहे हैं. सो एंड अगेन पेरेंट्स के साथ जो बैंटर है, वो जो चीजें वो चलती रहती है, कुछ ना कुछ छोटे से इश्यू पे इतना लंबा कॉन्वर्जेशन हो रहा है या कुछ बवाल ही हो गया. वी सी दैट हैपन इन आवर होम्स एवरी डे,
Yeah.
राइट? स्टिल कि एक
But
नल
how's
खराब है बट उस पे, या आई मीन एक नल खराब है बट उस पे एक एक हफ्ते तक कॉन्वर्जेशन चल रही है और मम्मी पीछे पड़ी हुई है कि यार ये तू नहीं करवाती, तू मम्मी करवा दिया, नहीं हो रहा है. दोस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स व्हिच इज सो
yes,
रिलेटेबल.
which was the most relatable part of it? ऐसा कुछ था जो आपको आपकी बचपन की याद दिला रहा था? Maybe it just took you back home and felt like, oh, ये तो मेरे साथ भी हुआ है type.
ओ यार, ऐसा अभी फिलहाल ऐसे कुछ एक मोमेंट याद तो नहीं आ रहा है, बट एज अ होल आई थिंक वो जब मैं देखती हूँ ना, माहौल देखती हूँ, मुझे लगता है कि वो चीज सारी मैंने देखी हुई है. We all
Yes.
come from middle class, like we're all middle class. We've seen all of it. मैं अहमदाबाद से आती हूँ, so I've seen all those small town things and struggles that everybody faces. और आज से 15 साल पहले वैसा ही था. मतलब मैंने देखा है, अपने नाना नानी के घर जाती थी, छोटा सा ऐसे आंगन वाला घर एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो वी सी नो पानी गर्म करने रखना, या फिर वो जो हीट, वहां पे गीजर्स नहीं होते थे, तो यू दो स्टिक्स
The
जो
rod, the heating rod.
रॉड्स. या सो
Yes.
आई एम सीइंग ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो आई मीन एट एवरी पॉइंट
But
यू फील यार
ये तो
सही
मेरे
है.
साथ भी हुआ है type. Because when you talk about a gullak, for me, gullak is like the one that I used to store, my money or my memories or something
करेक्ट.
like a box filled with that. I have had a lot of them, like one which I have saved my memories and a place
राइट.
that I've stored money. Did you also have that kind of a box that had that was like that you could
या
call
या
your gullak?
I used to have मिट्टी के गुल्लक, like the ones that you see in the poster, right? जो
Yes,
हम
yes,
शो में भी
yes.
दिखाते हैं. I used to have that, and मैं उसमें नीचे अपना नाम भी लिखती थी.
Oh,
पता नहीं
okay.
क्यों मेरे घर में मेरा अकेली का गुल्लक रहता था, बट मैं अपना नाम भी लिखती थी. एंड देयर वाज ऑलवेज एन एक्साइटमेंट जब वो गुल्लक फोड़ने की बारी आती थी. एंड देन जितना एक्सपेक्टेशन भी नहीं होता था, उतने पैसे निकलते थे. इट वाज सो लाइक अमेजिंग. आई डोंट नो, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग दैट वर्ड, बट बहुत ही ज्यादा इनोसेंस होती थी उस उन चीजों में, यू नो I used to have that one गुल्लक जहाँ पे आप एक प्रेस करो तो वो एक कुत्ता बाहर से निकलता है और वो एक 1 रुपी का
एंड वो
सिक्का
पैसे लेके
कॉइन
जाता था अंदर.
लेके निकल जाता है. I used to have so much fun with that toy. बहुत मजा आता था.
But now that, being a part of a series like Gullak and, playing a character like, Dr. Preeti, what do you think will just stand out for your character that the fans will be like that, they'll instantly fall in love with your character, that seeing that trait of
I
hers?
I hope they find this freshness probably, because all I can say is that a new character is being introduced in the show. 3 सीजन हो चुके हैं, so people are well aware with the Mishra family and बिट्टू की मम्मी, वो पूरा जो एक banter और equation चलता है. But then they're going to see a new character. एक डॉक्टर प्रीति है, and then Anand, a web house character who's an MR. स्टोरी भी प्रोग्रेस हो रही है, क्या इक्वेशन होंगे उनके, क्या रिलेशन होगा, सो आई होप दैट दे, I think this is for sure adding a lot of freshness in the show. The story is progressing, and I hope they like it, because I'm sure एक curiosity भी add on होगी इस चीज से. वो एक anticipation होगा कि यार अब क्या हो.
When you're a part of a series from the very beginning, you have a lot of time to, build your character and, connect with the audience. लेकिन जब आप ये third season या, a season that's been loved, like a show that's already been loved for the first season, do you find it challenging entering in the middle of a series, or was it like a pretty cakewalk for
No,
you, seeing that it was a debut, OTT debut for you?
I don't think कि it was difficult, because मेरे लिए second thought भी नहीं था कि यार, since I'm entering the fourth season, should I even do it? No, not at all. Because
Okay.
who would not want to be a part of a show like Gullak, right?
Yes,
And
totally.
any which ways character आ रहा है, so वो obviously धीरे धीरे build up होगा, grow होगा. Sorry, मैंने कुछ गिरा दिया.
It's okay, yeah.
हाँ, so ऐसा कोई second thought बिल्कुल नहीं था.
Because, you have been a TV face for the longest and the fans have loved it, okay? I would say the loved is an understatement. And now that they are seeing you as Dr. Preeti, uh, when you think about web, a lot of actors have a lot of reservations that, हम लोग intimate scene नहीं करना चाहेंगे, हम गाली नहीं देना चाहेंगे. This is how we expect our debut to be like. Did you also have any reservations when you were thinking of making your web debut? Or what was it like for you? Not for good
Mm,
luck, but in general.
yeah, in general, of course, I had certain things कि मुझे ये चीज नहीं करनी या वो नहीं करनी. Obviously, for any project, you want to do something that's actually worth doing it, and also it has to make sense in the script. It shouldn't be like
Yeah.
just for the sake of it, even if it's like an intimate scene, bhale wo they're not showing it's just a suggestive one, but still it
Yeah.
has to make sense. It has to be there for a reason, and not कि हाँ
Yeah.
बस हो गया, लोगों को अच्छा लगता है इसलिए रख दिया. Not like that, you know. So yeah, for sure, I did, and I was open on doing it only if it made sense in the script.
Okay.
So it has to be worth doing it, यार विशाखा. ऐसा मुझे बाद में
But
जाके
then,
वो रिग्रेट नहीं होना चाहिए यार, क्या कर लिया.
because I would say the fans are very active with you. आप जो डालोगे, they are very quick to pick it up. So ऐसा कुछ BTS moment था गुल्लक में से जो आपको लगता है that, the fans will be very keen to know once they'll see you on screen and, playing that character that you would like to share with them?
आई थिंक मैंने कोई पिक्चर्स वैसे अपलोड किए ही नहीं है ज्यादा. आई मीन अपार्ट फ्रॉम द ट्रेलर एंड एवरीथिंग. But I think उनको look अच्छा लगेगा. They'll probably like the look, because ever since they've seen that little bit in the trailer, people are like, the look is so simple, yet it's so like, लग रहा है कि हाँ कुछ effort नहीं है, yet there's the simplicity also. Also people have mostly seen me in a lot of jewelry and like heavy clothes,
Yeah.
and hardly seen me in cotton sari and cotton kurtis and everything. So I think they like the look also, because also मैंने जो like I've not used like I haven't used extensions. I've used my own hair, and yeah.
Oh,
So generally, like to add in length, you do use extensions and stuff. So
yeah.
वो नहीं है. So I honestly loved the look, because बहुत ही simple, बहुत ही fresh था. And also I want to add one thing that फोर्थ सीजन है तो सब एक साथ काम कर चुके हैं, देव बीन टुगेदर since 4 years, 4 5 years, ever since the first season came. तो सबका एक इक्वेशन था. बट मैं जब सेट पे गई, मुझे नहीं मुझे मुझे ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि मैं पहली बार गई हूँ. आई एक्चुअली फेल्ट एज इफ मैं वैभव से रोज मिलती हूँ. मुझे
Oh,
एक्चुअली ऐसा लगा कि मैं सबसे काम मैं हाँ मैं हम काफी टाइम से काम कर रहे हैं साथ में. इट फेल्ट सो नाइस, लाइक एवरीबडी वाज सो वार्म, एवरीबडी वाज सो वेलकमिंग. So yeah.
I have a very fun question here because when you talk about Gulak, it's like very nostalgic because बचपन की बहुत यादें हैं जो ताजा हो जाती हैं.
Hmm.
uh,
True.
अगर मैं आपकी बचपन की बात करूँ तो कोई ऐसी याद है जो सीरीज में काम करके आपकी बहुत अच्छे से ताजा हो गई है, या फिर कोई ऐसी बचपन की बात जो आप रिविजिट करना चाहेंगे वो वक्त, कुछ ऐसा है?
हम्म, यार वही है, मतलब बचपन में ना गुल्लक में पैसे, वैसे तो पापा 5 रुपए का सिक्का, 10 रुपए की नोट यही देते थे. कभी बड़ों से अगर 500 रुपए की या 100 रुपए की नोट मिल जाती थी वो बहुत बड़ी बात होती थी, तो वो सबसे पहले गुल्लक में डालनी होती थी, बिकॉज यू वॉन्ट टू सेव दैट मनी, बिकॉज इट्स अ बिग
Yes,
अमाउंट. ओके, एज अ किड लाइक 100 रुपीज, 50 रुपीज, 50 रुपीज ऑल्सो फॉर दैट
it's a
मैटर,
very
वो
big
बहुत बड़ा
amount.
अमाउंट
Yes.
लगता था. तो whenever I used to break the गुल्लक, मेरी ध्यान है वो बड़ी नोटों पे, बिकॉज आई यूज टू लाइक 5,000, 7,000, वो अमाउंट मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा होता था, और हमें लगता था यार इसका पता नहीं क्या ही कर लेंगे हम लोग.
Acha, what was the
एंड
maximum that you had saved in your Gulak? Like, what is the
आई
maximum that
डोंट
you
रिमेम्बर एग्जैक्टली, बट समवेयर अराउंड 10,000. आई थिंक उससे ज्यादा नहीं
and
मिला होगा, बट
and
10.
what did you do
या
of that amount? Yeah, what did you do of that amount?
आई डोंट नो, मैंने मम्मी को दे दिए होंगे. आई विश आई डन समथिंग. और मे बी लाइक जिद की होती क्या, मैं जिद्दी बच्चा थी नहीं. मैं 2 3 साल तक जिद्दी थी, उसके बाद तो मैं बहुत ही ऐसे शांत और बहुत ही सुलझी हुई बच्ची थी. तो हाँ ठीक है, मम्मी ने पहले बहुत जिद्दी हुआ करती थी, तो मुझे तो याद भी नहीं है कि मैंने कभी जिद की हो कि मुझे ये चाहिए. माई मॉम ऑलवेज सेज कि तू रोड पे बैठ जाती थी, बट आई थिंक दैट वाज ओनली टिल माई ब्रदर वाज बॉर्न. उसके बाद तो सारा
Okay.
टेंशन उसको मिल रहा था.
But I would say that Kelly, the fans will, simply love seeing you because ever since that meme, the suitcase meme had gone viral and they were wanting to see you more. I would say,
Why did you want? क्यों क्यों?
I think ever since then they want to see Helly in her element of, fun and musty and, the way you are, like the chirpy one. And I think good luck is something that will get us to, give us that look of Haley being that fun and masti वाला. इसलिए मैं आपसे पूछ रही हूँ कोई फन BTS है जो आप उनके साथ शेयर करना चाहेंगे आगे जाके भी?
बस ऐसे ही, बस गाने
Okay.
चल रहे हैं, हम गुनगुना रहे हैं, वी जस्ट चैटिंग. सो पहले दिन तो मैं थोड़ा सा ऐसे थी, बिकॉज फर्स्ट डे थोड़ा सा आपको ऐसा लगता है, बट देन सेकेंड डे ऐसा लग रहा
First,
था कि
first,
यार मैं
yeah.
तो बहुत टाइम से काम कर रही हूँ साथ में. एंड देन वी चैटेड लाइक अबाउट डिफरेंट थिंग्स, सॉन्ग्स. आई मीन क्या मैं याद करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, लाइक लाइक अ वेरी फन फन इंसिडेंट.
Because I'm sure a lot of incidences from the Gullak series is gonna be turned into a lot of memes and a lot of posts out there. That's why I'm wanting to know that, what nice are we gonna be getting, like something on those lines.
आई होप सो. क्या मीम्स तो मुझे नहीं पता उसमें से
But do
निकलेंगे.
you still get
हाँ,
tagged in that
मेरा नहीं निकलेगा.
famous meme of yours? But do you still get tagged in that viral meme of yours, or it's done? Like no more other fans tagging you in that.
यार विशाखा, लोग भूल चुके हैं उस मीम को, सो प्लीज लेट्स नॉट
I can vouch
गो
that they
देयर.
don't, they still remember. I vouch. I can vouch. They still remember. But then
नो
lastly,
नो नो नो, लेट्स नॉट गो देयर.
okay, let's not go there because by good luck you are kickstarting your web debut. What kind of projects do you want to see yourself in, like in the future ahead? Like, what are your dream characters or any genre that you feel that will be difficult, but you still want to try your hand in? What is that for you?
आई थिंक एज एन एक्टर मुझे हर तरह का कैरेक्टर करना है. आई थिंक, आई मीन, आई एम श्योर अ लॉट ऑफ एक्टर्स जस्ट आंसर इट लाइक दैट ओनली, बट इट्स ट्रू. आई वांट टू डू कैरेक्टर्स जिसको लोग बोलेंगे कि यार ये इसे हम नहीं इमेजिन कर सकते ये करते हुए. but then I still want to prove them wrong, and I want to do those kind of characters, be it any strong personality or something which is very dark. I mean, I don't think people can imagine me doing like a very dark psycho, I don't
Like
know,
a
that kind of
psychotic,
a
yeah,
character, like a
like a
psychotic
psychotic.
character, something which was very dark and gritty, and those kind of roles. Like मुझे वैसे shows देखने भी पसंद है. Like I do watch very dark shows, and
Any
sometimes
series that
very
you've
like
been watching?
currently no, but I finished a show called Ripley, a very beautiful show.
Oh, okay. Yes, I've seen
Yeah,
that one.
you've seen that, right? It's a
Yes,
very nice
it's a
show, and
really, it's a very nice show.
and like dark, just say like years back, I watched this show called Hannibal. Hannibal.
Yes, Annabelle.
No, 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 no. Hannibal.
Hannibal, yeah, वही Hannibal.
Hannibal.
Yeah.
हाँ. वेरी डार्क, और मतलब मुझे देखकर कई बार अपने आप पे ऐसे होता था कि यार मैं क्यों क्यों देख रही हूँ ये, you know. But then I like watching such kind of shows. So I really want to explore something like that. And यार हर तरह का, I mean, I do want to do different projects, be it films, be it short films, be it web shows, everything.
Because, honestly speaking, you did take a lot of time to come back on screen for the fans to, for a character like Gullak. I I'm very keen to know that, what next for you after Gullak now. Are we gonna see you in music
So,
videos? Are we gonna see you in what?
so before Gullak also I did shoot for two projects.
Yeah.
Simultaneously और भी बहुत सारी चीजें चल रही थी. Like I finished shooting for a Gujarati film last year. And like I'm really hopeful कि वो इस साल रिलीज होगी, because it's been so long. मैं भी वेट ही कर रही हूँ कि वो रिलीज हो. But yeah, fingers crossed.
Yeah.
And yeah, post that I shot for two web projects. So I think in like a few months वो भी release होंगे. And yeah, like I'm really excited for this year, because काफी सारे projects जिनका shoot में करके बैठ चुकी थी वो इस साल रिलीज होंगे, because people have been really asking that what are you doing, what are you up to. Of course I wanted to take a break. I wanted, like, this was a conscious decision because I wanted to work on myself. I wanted that time off, because um like after a point you get very exhausted. You want
Yes.
that chill time. You want those days wherein you're doing nothing and just lying and watching something or just hanging out with your friends. So I wanted those kind of things also, because after like after a point आपके पास social life का वो मौका ही नहीं मिलता है, you
जी.
know. So वो सारी चीजें तो consciously मैंने की थी, and I'm so glad that I did, because I think those things really evolve you as a human. uh,
But then, do
because
we see you
otherwise
back
आप
on
काम में
TV
इतना
for any
उलझ
project?
जाते हो. Then currently no, because there are so many projects that I've shot for, and also I'll be shooting for one more, I think, towards the end of the year. uh,
Okay.
so yeah, I mean, there are so many things. So uske liye, obviously I wouldn't be able to, and also I want to explore the medium that I'm currently exploring, and I want to continue that.
Well, let's hope that the next
Yes.
conversation that we have, apart from the other interviews, would be when Helly would tell me that, this is my Bollywood debut. I'm doing my Bollywood debut. So that's gonna be like something.
तुम्हारे मुंह में घी
So,
शक्कर.
but then if you had to do your Bollywood debut, which is that celebrity that you wish that, gosh, unke saath mera Bollywood debut ho? Like, who is that celeb for you?
Let me be honest, okay? I think Amitabh Bachchan.
Oh, I think you also told in one of the interviews that
Yeah.
you get dreams of Amitabh Bachchan.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm not even kidding. मेरे सपने में कोई एक्टर नहीं आया है, but he's come thrice.
And what does he like? What is the dream about? Like, is he advising you, blessing you? What is it like? What is the dream about?
Very random. Like there was this one dream जब पहली बार आया था कि मैं अपनी दादी के साथ एक्साइट, like that dream is like a dream जो मुझे बहुत अच्छे से याद है, कि मैं अपनी दादी के साथ गाड़ी में बैठ के जा रही हूँ उनसे मिलने.
Wow.
So that was
It
the
is
excitement.
something.
उसके बाद there was, हाँ, I mean, काफी random होते हैं, but then there was one dream जिसमें मैं actually उनके साथ काम कर रही थी, like I was shooting. So I think there has to be some reason for it, right? So I really want to manifest that. Yeah, it happens
I
soon.
think universe is giving you a sign, and I think we should also manifest you. The fans will also manifest for you that Haley should be working next with Bachchan Sahab. Hoping that
Yes,
people who are watching this will manifest.
yes.
But Haley, thank you so much for joining me here. I really hope that your web debut is a super success for you, and
Thank you so
soon the
much,
projects
Vishaka.
that you have shot, they are quickly out and open for the fans to watch and love it, comment upon it. Thank you for joining here at Times
Thank
Now.
you so much. Thank you so much,
Thank
Vishaka.
you. Thank you. Bye bye. Good luck.
Bye bye.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.